warma ya kubana ya na wun gafara ka so kama za hamma tidone ne ya saya ne ya saya basa arman da kaya ne ya saya ka bada sa an da tabarakallah me ya ka wari ya pupan na furka man tangan yabgo okay zuwa sahaba ya wabiye satma nuku yam pille shamnyala tuli alkawla lakatana yam pali adene nyadene tiyan sang la pawo tiyan sang la gangsabu nsang ti jabaru na gan kuturana na tamlana tin morla won chambina za hanye fiye titina won gafara katekana ti san tene ti bosinyanya tin to pal alkawla shaytan bana duniya za hama man yala yeso ka tahbura puni so ban ban shakara nan ya mun jabaru na gan kuturana na tamlan ma katari ya puni kada nan ya ka gutun mun yete katlabsa pawo sang to talla nyala ban ma sababi ya puni ka hafizu kan kana tuni mo talla nyala num pu ka pawo pa all right ni nyum yomo be kantan kanan katar ba number 1 stana of a presenter ngoma ne puka pa apam nan abarka nan afibu puniya sa kan yinde yila tun ko start le shamyala en chama ka bang no wara yulumbo no Muhammad Hafiz chala afam man kan shadap al Hafiz aka G-Fest shi tobina nyasi yanka plichin bitu ko bisan karasu goble bomberle ne torle annabu no hungaram ka wara ya pupan na chaka su palgara karmala nyala kunyu chokole ya to chakanti ga ka banya da wur gafara na bile chan makashir annabi shifa biam bia karapune no durgo sorto gubla alquran no kun fa yakunu nu zazo katabab kafane ne kanala tabarakallah NTV ka bumaya abum chakan labti ga ye NTV ka bumaya chakate lanti ba ka bang na NTV den ye TV te sa den yar abalmaya nda yala tuluma yetanam da pum bien suura katela bien suura tan jion tanam na bien suura ya de chaka sokarati yala na change ma LMP be CMP ka change akula gbadin kenan afizu ku mashire dagban pambin yaya ne dagban bin ne viela saba bi o viel yon na ku san solo ne biane ne go ya mira yala yitwa ka zan no shi twane ya mani tika yet no derme ti zan la solo ka lehra ka ma puoi ka kula nyawu yeso aka so ai dan kana nche ka ban ya ni san no ku felen de felenga na zan mo solo o tunto yila bahna ya abubai manda yela ya amurka tunun furin mangba bin lelbu paga kuku bai kabum kasan litale mbala al kawle yamana hafizu melan ce suka su zan mani go yu kurle yeto arabiyan pam kan borne yelba mi yeren chelmi ay ko chelmi ba san solo NTV nda pum bien katala bien nda ndu borne yelba dum ko chelmi so dan na shele kan bang ne nan la sham all right program mo ma yene mo den chana yes trended karbe TV station shaden gam kaman na pun yela ma yes apa sana sant program mo ma ya amiri ni yenem ni yeshele yes yeto shaden bien kamal anfanati amin ashin nan sa hanan gwanyidi katata nati ya targiya all right chakanati ga ka bang na mina sen food spices ntepa Maristops Ghana na supernatural green tea na kutam enterprise na tepa Quran kiosk na banam sa hanyara bambi arsiki timma pu na ka program mo ma ka da kanama yeto adiya bien pa ka to bon ti yele yes de la ka so awotin jean Ghana zaha tinya la ku jago ka kulma karmal ya pa dinya tungban so lan kuro jilmalana flight lieutenant Jerry John Rawlings na wunda bo ozo la mishi dalman bala karmal nan pa pamta duniya zan hakulun balama to dagban wotir malla shin ne ti kulma kuna tammal yunwa da Rawlings mun aymin tidin to dinan balama yes but da kullu hirman yanya diyeto arabian pam katbon ti yala ba we leave that one and another issue was coming through from karga wa yeto arabian katbon ti yala pa because bin shadin nan karga wa dan walla fi be finance entity anto ti ni last week man da yala yeto abiyala zanjande tuturu wa za hatan panta manga ka elections kan da ka grigribe gaba mara fanyam ne lerbo karban nan da yir samsi yina ta bahnu ta tampa ka bi'ab negi karmal da tin tela tamam fi de man nan papam hal yeto ashana din yirna from parliamentary candidates ma sa hama ngalla la yeto alngoma di shanga biene ka din yar shama da samsi ndir yalla ko to ne nan wa ka telera ne sudu ma bomma karpil be sane all right trebo na telele ba let's see what happened within the course of the week ma din channel when I bounce back I'll give you details of la headline stories maya and again anto ti ne ye branded t-shirt shwa wisha show ma nyala so tapsile mo ya rezo di nan ka ku me shil malbu puni yin mama ka daba ya polo Alhaji Aliyu Muhammad Sports Stadium VIP car park maya na wun gafara na borbo ni people so kamino chanshu maya so dinin ka be yoma nyim bole makan nyanya tin non shamya ma mi ne tere bani shama halem nzoma bilma Michael Jackson na Bob Marley bi la'anni tabanzan bu pala so yagbal taba mi non shu no ku chanter je all right Zungo sama ne kan ma unku yel ma yen tiel ma kat daba ya right about now okay malla two interviews no one man nyala dene de ya jipte mo kul man pergu polo ya antu te no group share da be kat vol ba ne dan shale la particular group mo ma ya yes kun ko nya urbanization of man pergu music kar kam kena tutu mo nante daba ankara antu te ne la group mo ma na won ka fara banen danye bu pang ma unku kap kena pa kan ma video tula kan me yilu tula kada da nan amfana pam sant man pergu ya alma sa hamin tak bang ya kada da chang fe nyanga pam yes ya kan lante ga ka bang da kama group ndanya ba okay lala group ma some few weeks ago a member of them came on this show ngone nyangone senior bon jara har kara drop yila ka bolle ne old soldier nda bala ma yes la yila ma tra premier league en bohra boya ka tinyanya lala group ma what happened and another way group ma na bien be de kan inta so dabsir ngo na won ga fara tum parni ni le insan so aya yes de so tum balla dan shele bi yelman nin chaka bang kama no original dan shele ma na ban pa tena ngo tele nyanya bo originality man yala den san ka yalla and remember they are dropping a track kabola track man piane ya na won gafara a new day is born and for that matter a new track is dropping through coming straight out Mamprugu Mbalama Yesaya de piane can another artist coming through from Mamprugu ya Alma Rockstone but over drop a video and there will be a little engagement katiteri bapunia sahakane menasen food spices and tapa Maristobes Ghana green tea and tapa kutam no Quran kiosk nama beza hanya bambe arziki timma puna ka program ma ka kan maya mayala yembe na ito awala so to ko zanga interview ma straight then kana chang break later kan na ya but straight outer yarma bumbun zema mo yimina America kan mo yina Canada kan mo yina tima mo yimma shishema kan yo shilema ya kabya ne pa na ba ko na de pipa na ba
that's why ya ne shilma de
Allahumma salli I don't want to show how to gotta watch the body. You said US time, Ghana time. Allahu Akbar. 1 hour. I know about to succeed to America. Don't try. Chin woman, I mean, if you're told I know chin come a summer. Silver, silver will be duly. But told them by silver come a seven.
Then you shambala.
Allahu Akbar.
Aku tu sangat wajar betul ni. Alo kau lalu konten.
Alright, straight got to play the yes. Start with Mushibana because one penny manager both of it. Yes, so come as a Hamula Pim, one per manager let a particular group representing Lalamuka Kuka Furuma Agbazonana, Zonku born here na Kambula Ratenia. Is that jump to table, set most of Campo in Little Lagre. California, can you come and Nara? No, what the young are yelling. Forget that money you carried about. I'm to the money. No, you're not coming when you're telling Fukura. I'm going to try to the chamber Mutuka come and we share it. Yes, straight. One look one another you to share it. Toffee, you will not can answer because you are managing the team. More than a very quick one. The army group ma dan shele la particular dan shele ma de na pianbe de la kana banum kala mulicham
okay dan shele dum kunya de dan shele kunya yes apart from money MNG in the top
okay
alan kanyer kambia le dan shele ko de kanta fikamba
dan solan ka shapulu ka
solan ka shapulu ka ya dan shele tun kunya dan shele
you dan shele ba iranya la group ka bunjara da bi puni.
Yeah, the Hashani and Pilgi, my main top in Pilgi, that was 2014-2015.
Okay.
Yeah, so before Kabun Channel Group Man, and that released the first album.
You in that group?
Yes.
Group man you that won't dance. You in that won't dance.
Group Makabole dance.
Okay, before Kabun now join here.
Yes.
Okay. Go tell her
yeah, go tell her because it's like I'm Malayili. Kasuka Biabushi.
Okay.
Maybe Kaleri, I am manager, maybe who can to accommodate.
Okay.
So who can I come no bien? Maybe Karatu Passa Sherry, but Magala is Kamaga, Kupale, maybe your manager Shama, or plan to bien.
Okay.
Kakahu Manai. Mine is not Punyara.
Of course.
So there's no in a way that could do chance of Kakalima, maybe. Yelma or by Yelma.
Oh, okay. Or Daniel tenant. Okay. Who rent to expire.
Kucha.
Oh, you landlord.
So to knock with that landlord.
Oh, Lambert.
Yes.
Kaboleta Halkoji, because in the Bishama, the man, I mean, it was very solid as a group. What happened? So that's what I will. Yeah,
Listen, last of Pabi, you know,
Lora ki pro
la rekate pregi ka wal bu wale no because before kabun tena ma min top nonda
okay
so bon tena da shell puni before kama stop yi la gebo
oh okay
because on that you don't feel comfortable
yeah
because that man la two against one top nyela mino kunyela one mother one father
oh okay really
yes so bon on danya neutral person because of on danya neutral person my to ashana da chena we feel like it's 2 against 1
oh okay
Tinha brothers man
so this is that drop la one side
this is my danya la zanga so ko da be da be ndo nyasum
very well
so that then danya ka top yel ma den chelsea ma why not ka ade pipe low
okay
then ka support it so then danya man stop ya kali be piaro
okay
so ko mino yinda
okay.
so through bone Kamanda stop yi la yi
because you wanted the group to excel
yes because that boy group ma 20
okay
because that the business ni ibe ila ambe yel pune sa shel kamza sa ye to abe na gba pini ko cheka bi ko jang yanga those were some of the reason why I come stop it
okay
so at the end of the day didn't nanka or sell out because sell out man in your group how did it kanya solo ki jam at least the simpson shawara be isu sulu
ora ya ni gawa shel kana na halda shel man na bien ni no na ko feel mo kaman you guys understand
ni shel bien dan shel bien understand ya if didn't come mina lambien tundu tuma at least ka tinya ai nan la be shawara simpson shawara be mina
o ya ni shawara da bien
shawara shel kana
ni la mini kaman we chama to drop a track and hali itela bon ni la no as a group song dan shel ko be fu ni
pa yel ma le hali ta da ma o zala nam de la solo project tipo ko chira
okay hala kara yiti na hala
ka tinya flyers
oh okay
obeto ku quality sa aga kayete ngo katinonda
when's the last time kimi no kum meet in person no chankana chambuha no ma ado chankana dobla when was the last time ka kunye bonjera be ki za hala
andinye semanya la danshile ngon ko pili mam brother wan pili danshile
yes
so mirabe la crowd so la time man
okay
the management wanda yina da shana la
yeah
la drop la track sha in changa krama
yeah
so when performance ka Vigros
yeah
big out so Vigros ndanya wake oh top ipande man pam the whole man progoza di part pa ba man na kumonta na benya dapo ka bayina pam ba man la
very well
so ila chei business maka ngbatuma na ngbara katra chanta maleka industry rekino bila ka man progoba yina sazu
that's true
and that's a good to
okay
kara channel bu be daji ya ka starting pili
okay
recording so ko tigra lawa da ka tuku be man maji ndati yi the first album mana junior
yeah
nchamen ka launch wale nta the whole man progo music ngon ko pile la launch ma kiana jenna
wow
because overseas do camp baza don don da mu ko ne
okay
show madam ne ka bonjara da won ka joine da shele na
oh okay
so o show madam ne ke oh ba mal talent
so that means dan shadon fu establishment as no show
big show
before ka bone na join okay you understand ya when was the last time coming bone beka irin adoba pian ki kunye bone mo ki mino difi
dan kan ko kenchana
no mo understand ya that you people have already established dan shell before ku join
yeah
but the only thing is that Bora come na chi Camino interview for no oh need that and very cool. There's no beef, no spam.
Tienya bone ya. One the manager man that to Vigros.
Okay.
So Vigros call man guys one call man production. Pura bolo join the shile.
Okay.
Kat no music maka onda o. Send mo you man to maka o. Pura sell ka o panu ma o talent. No one to. So pura cha ku chana. Ka man wanda mi titaba.
Yeah.
So the first track Daniela in Yura.
Okay.
Don't want to meet Taba. Don't go meet Tita who's 1 year you got to drop la track my Yura.
Okay.
So in Yura drop on the Kandapum Banga Dashi, Udashi, Kura Makabe no every. Because then that recorded at 9 Casto be Mexica.
Yeah.
Or I saw Calabonjara.
La Yilama or Asa La Bonjara. Okay.
Can be la track.
Okay.
So Katubo Sula Katada and Lam Juni, Kati never be anything. No was to be no mistake, man. I tell you, don't want the couple of Sha. The channels and them are the same Bonjaraka or Asoka.
Okay.
So one joining a cousin of project Shena Katusula, Trazan Dongaziana. Lata Maka Dongazia Punulare, the Salmon Canada to happen.
No, okay.
So one channel
understand, Zan Solon Kana. No more than Yanya. group as Dan Shelley with Bonjarama beef can you understand me no solo ibana na la dit na into la
problem aya brother pun nsila yeto amanchana kadra tuni understand kirito
no understand ya
so won ye shema o ko won chana ntwa be gira vela katunu big kwalobo dem
on ka choma maye yarma kama nguna so understand you so le ro e bwa ya a ka ula ka bo bwa ba ne o yele ne bo mi o be sabra because ura yel ma
be se mi a problem ma won ye she brother yele o be ga mandana tichana ngbenan titi because the manager mara flop ne wa yela samna ta kamar ya pam katlinda suna wono ka ngoma manye fako be ka gon yara malenzo ka chewo so tan ko manager halka bon jara min yala min shi so la time ma sura bamina la tuma kutumna master new happening so din cha ga to flop ma wanche la yuma kala utuma daji ya
okay
understand la ya o kuma no boys ka batuma so ku panye won bare ligrma no de butunu la san kan one top
okay
lan no ne bo shele kam za de tunu walke in so no man understand la ya
okay very well
man ne yare shi man la ma because te bisa be bet won starting me okay in chanagba thing release Congo rula ka parara nang te interview so ka in sound engineer so rapia la pam ko ina no OTT beat bo shele ka free to ko zan human chana on voice ran dar kan ban no ka bon jara yel ma so no ma bara in ko to nyel garen chan record yuma so in zan la opportunity ma on so you ne in chan engineer ma sa nan to no la release ka wa mal garen sa hanyi ina ko ba yina ka tan chan single kanda no landlord ni masu to nan lara so yen nan la da wuhin wal kana da shi da drop track be wula kan no so in kala ni
okay
tare na ko zan kufa so dan zan folata masa haka da fa ko kwala balaso ya ta
on understand ya Isabo ma ila kan
Isabo na tebe Isabo ya ma ngoyenye taba da shi tebe
aba Isabo ya dan shelo la karapu ne
wala ka dan shi
hanya ne ta pasir ye to amata to azan so
denye shemia har nan gwanci ne tebe nya ma ngoy kunya taba te
ba tu po ichar makan banka ma no da na bi yin ma no la kan wiya so hal o chant sa chapolo yar kaman o mini dan shele min to ma je to la sabra no the something you understand kaman there's an issue that maybe with time they do solve it but for now you don't conquer
like even for the benefit of peace o video shall darle smatra ma so le to banale
lawo
yes
GPR to be
I shall ni yelma nyamen before ko kana we were well structured
okay
understand your brand mother no complete that matu logo no be sha kamsa sa when you record the track ma to so shower kan
okay
when ma video ma shower shall kan so the fact that when you record the track ma be when ma video ma kan multi shower so the carpuni no you see that logo no the puni
so that logo be
yes that the bien
la logo ma you that design
yes the nyere
oh okay that's very well laden ma on to my right to use any logo in on that be part of it ma
yes hadi Daniela maybe shower bien the cap problem
so shower na
but in case of oyera yeto ashele kam mini top susuni so how come can lab bin maza nan halatin nai a shower shell can not even common
so this is ma ton walitin ta na ye kata mali all right way forward let's look at the pumpong you guys are two you know pakbalem and I'm sure that you drop la yila yes and you shall drop my title man yala biania okay chakanda kana pumpong I'm sure that it impact establish you two more and the way forward my ipamala manager I'm told that Tofik bim panye manager all right very well so Tofik this time around wait papa labanazo you know represent la gosona
yeah
all right so what are your plans towards these guys man because naturally they are very talented I mean if we are going to tell you songs after songs I'm going to drop it
so then no bonjara won release la track man man wa meet la wale
okay
odabo mi yera odabo mi wera
the sunny
kula
also okay
video man mar dindare ka tichirga tabu palle zugo
okay
kaman bano yum pala na video pala ko mara so kanda kuna ka yelchi agwazo wanda wum na bonjara yin yina la suru ka bulu na ku ci hilla suna manin birin ya kason yana ma
okay
mu mutama labari mango kuka de funye to sha ka chief right oh then wanna ka problem sha nyaka because zamala talent tum chief pombe na hal before ka bonjara kena so 1 million bo shire kam den channa to won wala to ashisi so bele
bungu to ara sama ne to ko ngoro le
ba to bele nyene ne sinye fama puna mara tesi wala
no of course
so ma kuna nyere chief la ka chief ra oh the ka problem sha don wa ima nyani ina ne juma oh Tofik no to so
okay
because ubaro to madaji ya
very well
so ubay o yina tabela
okay so busu to correct
tanda yele ya don wana bioma ne anama
rafael biama ba
chief to na ka ko me don wa bioma
so abo na wo kama sangara nda bi yama okay to po biama ni ya to ne lan lam na san ka to wo to biama ni sham isu na ngban be yi na go la won tam ba ka tinyare yen chansha Mr. Tofik po biama ni la to ni what's the plans because they are now two very very talented I mean plan den kamala
the plan yala kama mami manyala zaba from Damango.
Very well.
You understand?
Yeah.
But mami tizanyala that damnama.
Yeah.
Kami top. Ongu be ilishana man kangwa be.
Yeah.
Kami banda pamba mangsham ka bunjara tungu ma because of bamani jama da tanon sam shere.
Yeah.
You understand? So on the real chief ka chief yere na some sana ntawo sondaba.
Yeah.
The problem. So okay. Top nya rapper.
Yeah.
And most of times any rapper come me singing. The tempo stage share. Never be attention being be it track me.
Yeah.
So also me omo on that upon on that.
Very well.
So cat approach okay and okay the problem. But to then take katazamba chang blue beat.
Okay.
Natanya na one year nan katarisha.
Very well.
Yeah. Sonda.
Okay, very well. Okay. So Pumpon yila bengala yila ma from Blue Beat.
Yeah.
Come ma video tele.
Yeah.
Okay, this one happen Pumpon you take care of it.
Yeah.
All right. No la lam na katinya maybe am planner na asamba chankantansha because talent wise we all know. All right. Chalan kana sarakata bambo no. You see this time around yila no bishama we all know business and finance. I mean entemala karapuni ya. So now that in establishing mama wula nyi plans apart from manager plans ma wula nyi mama as artist wula ki plan.
Well, the plan is
okay
because one of the days ma to da bola yule ka zir lashana ka de kap amfani shari.
Yeah.
And then through the last stage is ma sasa to buham ya ben yaranga.
Yeah.
Ka banka ma ila nyala its own business.
Of course.
So and we mean business.
Okay.
So how manager mama mini tenon de benchama business got on the market. Can they sell so we yet to anyele?
No, don't have that.
So temal shile pam tenda make it error shamazasa. Temal le mazale. Okay. Check out in future. Kabla okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's very well. All right. So Pumpon the drop la piano ya. Piano ya ma already to punya the origin of it. Danger na shapulu. How the mama who would have come on. Deja pa kwa pon polo equipe noir pour kachena. Yes. No more minute for video ma uli male.
My time male.
My time and male video. Oh, okay. Oxygen. Yes. Another great guy with great equipment. Yes. Trust me, you can make a quality of a video. I don't believe it. Yeah. All right. You're looking my video. Ma. You won't be young polo. Young King Mali. All right. Just 1 minute. Katichanti de la video ma kalamna. Di lamna will talk about some of the old songs and intro so that people will have an understanding of what we are talking about on the channel tonight. Danshel original Danshel Mambala. Yes, ne Danshel man, ne Gurgur Dan Yakashabra Piga, ne original one Mambala. All right, come drop a track up in the piania, Lella Piani Yoma, then Kati and Tropa Kalamna, and Tenati to Apuna, the Chankantana, the channel on NTV with Danshel. We'll be right back.
Blue, that's how we are come again. For a bab, another bang ahead. Shilly Gola Kaya, Shilly Gola Kaya, Shilly Gola Naya, Shilly Gola Naya, Shilly Gola Kaya, Shilly Gola Kaya, Shilly Gola Naya, Shilly Gola Naya, Shilly Gola Kaya, Shilly Gola Kaya, Shilly Gola Naya, Shilly Gola Naya, Shilly Gola Kaya, Shilly Gola Kaya, Shilly Gola Naya, Shilly Gola Naya. Sono ye jimal so jere, sono ye jimal so jere. Bulu noro kuro bane, bulu noro kucho bane. kayan zan sun da shi da ku chanto ne da ku chanto ne ka su yin mun garbore nan ku kwa kan manta ya guman gumanja ya gurman mun fana ban shama ni bang ma bang bang makatam nan tiama man top line top line man top line top line Banjir munika zos markwale, banjir munika zos markwale. Pamone tiando ni katum labiyang na dobi dobi do. Pamone tiando ni katum labiyang na dobi dobi do. Dobi dobi do, dobi dobi do. Shele jola kaya, shele jola kaya, shele jola nyaya, shele jola nyaya, shele jola kaya, shele jola kaya, shele jola nyaya, shele jola nyaya. Shele jola kaya, shele jola kaya, jola nyaya, jola nyaya, shele jola kaya, shele jola kaya, jola nyaya, jola nyaya. Rashid dama bioma nyaya, ina sama faya, kabar tonton magwaya, da shirfaza lurya, inshallah. Pan top line yung wala, lobu pan no sang marga, berbab sazu katarga, zoma zango da bidia palle, karne uzor mandu serge, watulu no duna yang marge, malan zana kanyo da bawre, dundom panang lavelum, den cha wum lanya sum, asubur ku kaje kabelum, fansi yanum pupelum, gamin pana bunkum na dosa, berbab nakutoka tora, them no we fago. Keep on hating, we keep on cashing up. If you don't know now, you know. You don't know now, you know. If you don't know now, you know. You don't know now, you know. Shele jola kaya, shele jola kaya, jola nyaya, jola nyaya, shele jola kaya, shele jola kaya, jola nyaya, shele jola nyaya. Shele jola kaya, shele jola kaya, shele jola nyaya, shele jola nyaya, shele jola kaya, shele jola kaya, shele jola nyaya, shele jola nyaya.
Maybe yes, the Hanshell cut to drop up Zanta, but before Katana Yali to Achakanda to take a carbon medicine food spices and Tapa Maristops Ghana, the supernatural green tea, Kutam Enterprise and Tapa Kuran Kiostama, Banam Zahanyala Bambi Arsik Timapu, the Program Maka, the Kanaya. Alright, Ditobia and the Kanati Yalaban Nambanama, na Amfana Shelbon Man and Santa, Katizahanyati and Amfana Shell de Puria. Alright, the Hanshell original, the Hanshell Nakubia, Kanaya Lava Sunny, MNJ, and Tapa top line, the Pim Mupa manager represent large in charge straight up chakalam naisani then I come okay tite me yil kurama you are drop a yil shall kabol the dapsere ka even fancy kind of down la I mean that was a very great twin ma kanachi majua even makasi unda belama then kanachi Don Gazi and Abelama that was another great popular of between ma the Boryambo. Yes, very great songs. How does that have a video? Oh, even Gwanga Barano video. I mean, you guys were on a very high lane. You have a speed pan, Karate Chanshama. And latest one shall in Droppy, King Madame Azahara Yama. In that means of our battery. If you also have battery, I'm before Kapungo. Oh, now, Kira Walini, Manama Labna. The Malay bigger project than Tunda. Dabson can it table Ayama. Kayo was a Yurko Kachama. Dabson can it. I mean, it was a banger. A great rapper, a very great rapper. Yes, Pomba rap, Mama, Bruno rap. Dabson, very good. Jamalum Gobson, you know by. You know what's in Yurko 5. You learn some dated by. As I like do, don't by. Top.
chakan ku vele yuru mar kenkan munafiki tangmaro nor gongong wala jiri darkaka mi ni tatni de kambong ya yel munun kula pasi wanya ma kandir la dase ka yel num won ma kunya nan tase hila ma nya sa sheba nan pasi du mun da bayar ya ko bayar ya masa annala zuliya zunzon karbano ku yuliya important kan sane ki doya ta bane ka komne kine ke yor kan yuriti na malke abza sun tum ta malke yanya suiti dale de nan kan yadda lagale yin duwanyi da zanan tare zango da biya top line bam bam
tana cewa ana da Congo rula na fa duk ka ko ya ma ba teacher let's go
yeah Congo rula punugo
Congo rula teacher
wanya Congo rula ma walle nya Congo rula ma wanya Africa rula ma walle nya Africa rula ma wanya China rula ma zanguna kamede man mede zanguna kamede ni yala pamna na amakati mikashina bebo lichema tuni won kashina inda sirba dubiya amakati shiga channa ma progeza suma ya to basakantete tirin ka babura na ti jibuna man kunna trada chonla break drama la close so kanza saya never feel it
rap
oh my god
saya never feel no flow
Maya in that was my but all right jagatega ka wona din charga na
ko pala manzu so mara so luzu chene
you para solo no you para na tana kana repulia I mean that's very great talent wise there you guys are there you guys everyone knows it and the Canon Bantini Yaha. On a very quick one, take a new project, then you Yama. I mean, the origin of that song, it is very clear. You guys, you want me to come and had you done, can never tell any game, don't I need so farm base Masa, there's something in my shilky, me, but Gia shall eat down. Yes, I'm a kind of fancy keys are no. First year,
that first about 5.
So speed cut
speed cut about 10.
Or to lack on board yes, let's go into that song, content of that song, man. You're singer the full
yes.
Superstar, madam. Okay, let's go. Let's pick the song.
Na kutoka tora. Them no we far gone.
Abba.
Them keep on hating.
Abba.
We keep on cashing.
Abba.
If you don't know now, you know. You don't know now, you know. If you don't know now, you know.
Abba.
You don't know now, you know. Ah. Bioma kaya.
Bioma nyaya. Bioma kaya. Bioma nyaya. Bioma kaya. Bioma nyaya. Bioma kaya. Suno ye chimmal sujiri. Suno ye chimmal sujiri. Bulgunuru kuro bane. Bulgunuru kucho bane. Kuro bane. Kucho bane. Ndaye kutoi. Zalo suri ni toi. Ndaye kutoi. Sekan Zalina. Zaina. Sekan Zalina. Dashel dama bioma neya. Yayi na sama faya. Dabar tonton magbaya. Dashel voyaza luria. Inshallah. Di pada top line yang wala do pu pano sang marga perbab sazu katarka zoma zango nambi dia palle karmeng zur mandun serge wantul no duna yang marge malan zana kanyo dia babre den dum panang labi yen cha yawum la nya se ba sugurgu kace kabelin fas yan nan pu pele do mi pana bunkum na tosa perbab
Mabumi no point last. Mabumi no battery la mo.
Battery la. Battery kaden.
La. Battery kaden. Lyrics mala mele ya. Ayala jabul ni iba so wugo.
Kace kabjala. Ba malangila, malashilam pam.
Okay.
Pas en bon sumana n'enten fans.
Oh, okay.
So
Sarma.
Sarma zati yele.
Ah, okay. Sarma ni densan.
Sarma ni kama irin. Mami bar shakam ai ko kina to ma ya jalma garnya.
Jagatega ga wala din Gana kuguma on NTV. Kamera Zen Food Spices na Maristops Ghana. Supernatural Green Tea. Kutam Enterprise no Quran Kiosk ma. Kababe arsi kitima pu na ka program ma kada kan na ya. All right, very quick one check at the Quran Kiosk ma. La particular facility ma ya. Adrin number 1 of Estana health center shel dem be tuduna be gana za ha kala an tabbu so ya tin yidda ba tala na won gafara zannan ashifti za yin da karatum ni tumaya imma silmi sile tabbun yale tabibi yato ambala ma babbe ni ma na tabriya imma tabra saban lan yale inta tilah tabbuma na won gafara la ashifti ma da lahbiyan miya na alquran din ya ruki adilla na won gafara duk balah biyan ni maniya okay dinin ka san adurana ni mane na won gafara da ban kwamman yan paraf sham kuru haw ka ba bango karabu busra ka ba bango karabu busra qur'an shirna ba charshal to min din yangala ban san marga duruma ya alright ya ka yan bon ba gala ashifti ma da biyan na ton pal dawo so aku ya islamic secondary an nutirgu so an yabi sambo ne zaya doti ma bane ka malga kate ya afallu kuma no min doctor ne ma sa habeni nin ta ka fan kama mal laboratory kana mal irin consulting room kamal pharmacy kana ce Quran kiosk ma mamma irin ruke an bishir ma din ma za ha ai can ashibtu ma na won gafara annan amfana pamna aduru ta bishe ya ban nyala dane number manjala 0549960749 once again 0549960749 intratable na atitable na kama na won gafara Quran kiosk ayi chan ni mane aturo za ha de nyala den yenje kafriya kan te ga na mari stops kana bu nyala bambe bukata putunu pa alright dinan ka de pa min do la ambushe yal musra doron yale irin wala do amje wala nyala wala ko nyala kada mal musra zanjam pa ima apatali nya pulube de la fi de da la fi ka ko bora nin pa mama ka sab number mo den 0544311061 mari sloops no number bala dinin ka bi kantang be yoma kamrna tamal kumbel yele okay taxi rank bala ma aku mur taxi rank anya bum wanda wa ma wasit ka fu mur ni mani atenda mi she pulu class house la ay ko mur ni mani nusa so anya ka mari sloops no kana gn bank no bitang la bana be soksa ya ka tini mani in safe abortion nama ne irin lab test nama na won ka fara ne protection bol BK1 la karanye emergency pill la dan nam sa hanyala an to nye shalimania ne kutam enterprise bo bolla bo ma insha Allah rabbi na amin ba al kawl shal in bala na won ka fara ne kutam liya okay na sabana bana mo son dan bana ma nyala 0248113062 once again kutam enterprise number nyala 0248113062 al kawl dan ka bayan mo mina agba ma ka kutama dan nya dane ni di nan kinya group be akumala atuma ntumda kamal niya na amal ashire kaman bihabu miyabshi be akubor mana annan ban shasal na unga faraka da shillatiya dina nan ka balmo ma na kan fiyan yalanga na akpan ma man kana yi tahmaya ne bitira maka ban kaman ban tuli tutupon zankula ka kanna tan nan da biela nan da puni dunda yan asban dan nar ya sawuniya wa gana kamal be tu gana ka tahrata nan da accounts ma puni kan yan notification ka babba so aditin nan ka alqawli ma palbu bi'ani na unga faraka kana ka bisan da adama na ta ka can ta pal ayele ima simitin yele ima chamsin yele ban yele buka ku bora biya ku bora ni yilma sai ka yele ku tam enterprise ne bu shawara pu ne mu mallata fin yele nga ya amaliya ka borna nan kan lifi ka bakara nan ya tom antu kana intu to har biela terba lifi ma dan types an ka borle antu yele fin yele nga ya kana ce irin dan ku biela irin langu nyenya la langu no ma antu nya ka shamal group ka bu mal ar tahwiyat yetu agola di pashare lagrma ni tersha puluma ni tabukane be basan lagrma ti subuti ngum no goya o man biar ko no ikutu to har la terso ka mi lagrma ni tersha ya bangye ma ki kana kutam enterprise intu to har la ngoma sonda kan ya notification asto intasham ditun karabuka tab yani ki kana kabla se les antinya ya dinin ka bor kutam enterprise straight tamal kumbali nobisko ya'lamu ma quotes shagadun ko bini malama ya sanargo health insurance office ma balama bamin ba ku bala dansi dinin ka chene aku yiti pole junction ma fa shel din tan nobisko ma ka dole kan mal face cap on your right aku chanto ni biela anyi office ma ni mania bo balla mo na kutam enterprise insha Allah rabbi na min ba al kawli ma na kutam ya once again banam manam nyala 0248113062 all right kati cheleza ni chakanyanya all right hamten sas nang babiana karati green tea ni ma ba chakanchereza ha kallamna wa arama sana katinya de yen ya all right pumpo manager yela ma sa hapakpa la so pumpo tinye track and we are having a video I mean standard of a video pumpo imani yana kama ino show be concert be I mean performance wise be don't paku no kaba pupa no ma kaba lahlam nyanga what's next in the pipeline?
The next on the pipeline here after video then I'm near maybe 2 weeks 3 weeks time at Lamba video them song them video
okay very well
understand so
okay
to pa bona to Lamba yilana okay so that Boba pan to them show them.
Okay.
You understand?
Because nobody that complain them.
Yeah.
Nobody that complain. No show them. I don't know like can.
Yeah.
But I make one.
Mami, those okay ya mama mdela yilman kami do bashana chana. Nso ngo bila tamale. Kabomi ko be walwale.
Okay.
So bi zambi yule no show ni.
Yeah.
Ka ji alo bon kana. Mami ONG mana on kana show ma dale ki ko lo bien kana.
Wow.
Yeah.
So dracha makabato.
But to attend the shows. I never be yule be show ni.
Okay. Wow.
I teach and kana.
That's bad.
Yeah.
But Pumpong when I'm sure.
Pumpong na Mami, Warman Padio, Tough Empire.
Yes, Tough Empire.
Yeah.
Okay, record label, man.
Yeah,
Tough Empire. All right, that's very great. That's very great. Chan Lamna Sarkatinya top. Pumpong management papiani, and I can see that they are very serious. Yes, I know him very well, and I know if Dinyala come and RC Timba then Suchi, yeah, we all know it. We all know it. The Papa Layin say how serious you guys want to be. A project Shangabama. Yes, Pumpong Chakansang Alam Pulu. Tinya music industry man Pachansham. What's your observation? Bima Payana, they are trying.
But you know, shape mad and no soup in the palm. Because then that punk to Kovana at the passer the last tavern Zwama.
Very well.
Ndaburun Kupa. She went Uncle Pahans go back at night.
That's true.
You understand, like, so they appreciate that.
Very well, very well. Jankaras and Katinya. Yes, Pumpong, Imanian and come and Imam show be concert. I mean, the panel two mama. Are you planning a show, a concert, the album launch? I mean,
Timbalnia. First of all, she got Tanakubanati projects manner.
Okay.
Got a little bounty down share the palette like jam.
Okay.
The Dana for 400 Diara Kapanja Huma Kalabna.
Okay.
So Timbal projects pump Karana big on pipeline.
Yeah.
Kana.
Okay.
So Timbahilan pump.
Yeah.
Before after that, so kami bang na dahil lamna.
Yeah.
Nzana ben nabayuzo. Then Timbal show Karana.
All right. Very well. Very well. Very well. All right. Tin top attraction mama. Mbora mninyanya maybe number shanga dem piani kabinetu WhatsApp. I mean hal iyil shanga tin nani pashari. Fan base ma banda kupian kala kala la yila ngoma. Number ten katinetu drop. Mani ben class kabinetu nyele.
Uncle YouTube.
Okay.
Kaku click dahil.
Okay.
Tila kura ni yil pala. Zan tu ina kale.
Okay.
Dimi kula nyala audio ma ka bora ka ku pay Google to click dahil movement.
Yeah.
Tila nam zan tu la nyina.
Okay.
Ka download it. Dimi kula nyala abora yila ma masha bien for me internet.
An yashan WhatsApp and share to come your WhatsApp.
WhatsApp.
Hi, send me some. Ka send to bandum ni fa.
Ba first of all na ko sula France ma ka yelba.
Yeah.
WhatsApp line yele. Ambora yila ma ka te WhatsApp le tra be ka no to high WhatsApp ka. To send the time.
No, be ma kwa so ban to ban call le.
Call number bien me ka WhatsApp number bien.
All right.
So WhatsApp number man yela 0240.
Okay.
77 16 08.
Okay.
0240.
Okay.
77 16 08.
Okay.
I go note high.
Be sene yila mata.
Sene yila.
Ima biani ya ka bora bi abora tafsir bi abora machu abi don gasia any of the songs.
Branche no yila kam.
The sahaba to say that. All right, that's very great. Maybe then come and ask to qualify. Maybe I'll get another time to interview more because there's a whole lot that I wanted us to talk about. But then the project so by the time I'll get you guys got to feelers and journey, especially okay.
So Vanda boot in the Shema. The Papus Bala Suki Munaba Badon Super
drama.
My Yabama, Basla will catch a cabin, don't up and Lanyas. Yan Chenek about Yasin.
Yes, sir.
Understand? So fancy must Boban Yaso come, Malashir the Dash in the Lamna, by you know, soon. Bim back na kubula by Yina,
okay, very well.
Top Empire Mazua. Even a little to and join the Ikalika talent.
Yeah, that's very
good.
All right, that's very great. Tumpuka Patan Shelly and Tapabo manager, Muni Pimp, Fikambalama, representing large and chat straight out. Mampur will be some Bonoma, Tropila, and Capol in the Piania, Cassamba Yila Puni, Antutina, the Yusha Kabul and the Dapsari, when fast and Karam Damila Yilama, Karamal quality of a video, Halbara Lamali Yusha Kabol, Majua, Karana featuring on the Macasium Balama, Halbara Malia with Ataka, with Liki. I mean, all those guys, La Yila and Maza Haranilla, Bang of a song, Tapaton Gazia, Denham Zaharabian Katazoria. and this time around ne pun yala they are back with a banger of a song kapole ne piani ya number shanga the party screen mazo antu pikala number na ngoma on WhatsApp. They will forward that song for you and then we keep it growing. Yes, ne puka paisa hanang banyene especially at Bosona na team masa yes into some bala ngoma man dey here well welcome show baba bozo
ona bola 1000 Ghana cedis manan
no October 1000 tama 5000 kam here ta 5000 ka
no mami am bar moto
ma sun ku kan bar
no abuto bar moto ka bor 5000
o da so anu suna ni yele o da so anu suna
o so anu suna
ma suna mami coronavirus
mami o da je no land
aku kala tilanle costume magba
kane beki yema
kane mbala so usan la pour son chante tire ebe collection
alright on kubor man chapse tamay kan so ma ka bo piga ya sa ma la kane ka che ka yo bu ka bo buma ya alright on a very quick one in commercial ni san chapse I mean in pusha ba just a few minutes ka chapse ya ki piga ya ma sa hala kane cha kan start with you menje
ya tole
yeah
present pour son domino Chief Somo.
Okay, Somogura, Chief of Akbaso.
Yes, it's a cafe shell movement.
Very well. Juma yi matama so that people would hear very well.
Kapo pasara mi na kibunaza sam. Tiam pour son lanche lam body seven.
Okay.
Don waliu.
Don waliu. Kobe ya pulu. Don waliu yo obe. Obe. Okay. Don waliu. Pour kapara.
Kapure Honorable Adonko.
Honorable Adonko.
Yes.
Adonko.
What so company man. I go to background man.
Yeah.
Shata wale pour son chino san.
All right, very well.
Tia kapure Hajia Farida.
Okay.
Tia munu kujeka so from local fine.
That's very good.
Yes, we come support financially for the
that's very good.
Sasa.
All right, that's very well. Manager, you la shaka kare top line.
I cannot tell to come pull a fan base maza.
That's very good.
Sound engineer nama, DJ nama so come.
Okay.
Never mind found the dash and lamna.
Yeah.
So we put some got to go in Zantaba. I cannot to put management team maza.
Of course.
The Mali father police. Eren to kale yar maza yuya. Bebe Garcia. Abazo dashima ataya base man to ko pola so comes out on the dashima ni yar kambon de normal friends so ko be Dubai ka Asia shaba be Saudi ta abisa ya ba monitor program za to ko kali ya ka chaba Garcia
of course national movement ma ko kabila all right ankara ma abu kuba ankara ma
to pour vigorous.
Very well.
That's
very good.
No, vigorous. Group ma the Garcia Pam. The Garcia Pan yar maza. To bol la you and to bol so you come bol so. Tamala iren ajoya la so Ankara yar maza mami. Ankara binya man. Because the man come and niki. Understand? I think I'm man. So I'm so come pasara for America. So come.
All right.
To kana kumashi. So babi ni man ale aje. Babi kumasi. No fans man gasi.
To saya. To buyer. Manager Sankara sana bim. Ami popo ni shiti masa ha. But aku push ba ni ba ni ba.
Yeah, I'm for Mbro.
Okay.
Nana Bazo.
Chief of Abaso.
Amasa.
Tuzumba ya ma. Amasa. Tuzumba ya. Topomo.
Kapure.
Bayo niri no ko.
Kapure attire base. So mo attire base.
Okay.
Yeah, anko kana kakpa yire agba anu.
Attire
special. To nyura attire
wi. Nyama na kan. Ndumla kan.
Ndum jeri.
No, bula kan kan.
Tapa ko la ciao.
La
damma la sarti to pa ko la cha yeah so I'm kana wa enyu ka
wa ipa ba client we
yeah
big after you wife
kapure adonko yeah adawale ben nazo agbazo nazo
all right
kapure onkonko piaro so le chief driver am pour onkonko piaro yeah
all right
kapure fan base man mami you know I'm manager artist kata bakare
no
the koto champ so unko pan la jande tama DJ no ma iren ngan ku be industry man kanyara one way or the other on to tap song ka danshere dan da ku be shi ma ka lamna la
all right sa ma kare
ya shel wo sir la bi chong don te ko yala ka YZ
to na chel YZ mu yeta YZ zan solo next week ti la me je fere one way ku boro na po yi yong na ma sa hadamangu
oh metro minio shi ampa next metro umpura metro minio kalabule
very well
ya aja shitu kasoka ekmanyi mu kalabule metro mo shimpaha lo no metro magda na batere mo zero ne o damango na lante bi minke kurashi mo ko chorande
all right
yeah
to papo ya ka papa
wal
to ya kana ma sa na le mo all right the Americans dan shele bale ma to ka papa coming ne tunto ma sa ha thank you so much le bole ma kan pupam lo retire amena Sinful Spices nte pa ko tam enterprise Mariscopes Ghana Green Tea nte pa ko ran kiosk no thank you so much ma punya ayete mala 2 interviews one man and yela deny we coming back with another one the chankantanga the channel on NTV I'll be right back after this
baya su dole ya babbe punu matama bro nan musuro dan paga kan su yisilin yale zam sulo dan paga pumpon aha ye wande tablin solo pam buharam na bo ci kan dirbu boram basalma banzuru golala wumma shilma dan yala jijijiya dan yala mina zain Food Spices didn't know la sungo maza nyamngo dan yala chicken flavor menazin fish flavor menazin jollof flavor tongo dan yala lion nutmeg powder ngodin dene pahe anya shilma bakam she menazin Food Spices dan dene biya ban zirga dan yan ko habe yan dane so kam yan dila ban zirgo kafile ban zora terbe shukuru shangalan ba ko zirman ko zira Binagia kabo file mina zain benzer kwaran kan to fa customers
all right ne saya meme ya tabarakallah dan chanaka na ku goma wannan TV mapun yala yete na sura yin na matanum na ku biyan sura ya TV te sasel din yara balle kan nan ban tele karafuni yete na da pun ku ta ka sura ka tela ku ta ka sura tanum na ku ta ka sura ya mambela ya shele ka palle yalan ayiri la programme zo tale anga hal tale aku yali to atom karku dum pansa tale afizu to chala du ko chele ya but first and foremost shakampuka pa yi charlana muninye shatabela munin to ba shakes ngoma designer shakes mbala tema boy yes Ray-Benson and Malama, thank you so much Shatabela for this wonderful specs man mpu ya kapa he's my guy man shirika tipe wisha show man ya right after this program I'm coming to pick you got the daba show man ya all right in the punta atable ye double track system katiyana the zone ya there's another great talent of an artist coming to straight outer gushakan ban da kala ban tullun ma ko pupan na ya ka tropa yille kala yille ngoma ka da mal mamman korse pa la yille ma tala hanyala dinyala tala zanta kanye tala zanta man nguna da mu uballala particular yille ngoma na amma min da dam kam mun bi duniya wo tala hanyala na amal ma ya imma obian bi ula kane tala hanyala na amal ta zantar amma pulu ya all right o yulu bon rock stone la particular yon kan ma punyala no kushako yina o kan mana o min o director o yili shalma o malar video la niveau so ngwa video ngoma munye brand na straight outer TMP studio ma production na balama okay munu ku kana nota assistant katinyanya and there's another one that is coming through from TMP company mazaha I mean, they have a very good story for us, so we're picking that one as well. Katinyanya Dinye Chansham, especially to the underground becoming artists, man. There's a benefit for you guys, so just hook on Katinyanya Dinye Chansham. Yeah. All right, very beautiful. So Rockstone.
Yeah.
So Kaulanya.
Yes, so.
I love you, yeah.
Yes, so.
Very well, very well. Gushaka, you know.
Gushaka,
Gushaka, Banaga.
Gushaka, the book.
Okay, Gushaka found them.
The month from Kambi.
The month from Kabi. Okay, that's very well. So I can Gushana Masa Habula.
Oh, but Malala.
So Kamala Lafi. All right, Gushaka and Yen and Quintisha. Alasan last two. Obiara. Yes, it's my very good friend. In Junior and Dabala Shukuro. Sub-Zero Biara.
Sub-Zero Biara.
Yes, G-Town Nega. Oh, Sub-Zero. That's very great. Let's start from the beginning. Are you Mangala?
Abdelmumin.
Abdelmumin.
Fuseni.
Abdelmumin Fuseni. Are you Linka Bushama?
Okay, you know Buffsini.
Buffsini. Okay, that's very great. And starting like, come on, how long like?
Okay, the year 2010 can start.
2010. All right, basically 10 years in Kubalama.
Okay.
So looking at Lehanyanga, come on, yila dbala kanami.
Well, ila no munan kutukai.
Aso yila pam.
Ila mo aggressive.
Come on, then two papi abi
The GAR 20.
The GAR 20.
Yeah.
Wow. So I started yila looking back, ma. I mean, the most bien, yel most bien.
Yel most bien. Yel most kunya like management.
Management, ma.
Yeah, because I do better projects. Management money can do kutucha.
Wow.
So me couldn't make a focus on management.
Okay. So this time, since you are your manager, be still.
You will start telling your manager.
Okay.
Management team you can focus.
Wow, very well. So when you manager?
Alasan Basiru.
Alasan Basiru. Who will be the Bushama? Be young.
No, one will be a tema.
Will be a tema.
Wow,
that's very well.
Katum to my tema.
Katum to my tema. Alasan Basiru.
But I blame you, Moba.
Moba. Okay, that's very well. That's very well. Thank you so much, manager. All right, maybe Nakanaka here to let's look around. I mean, Pupo Bushao is a very popular place. Entertainment-wise, we have seen that most guys cannot through from Bushao, and they have very good songs. Kamasa Zero, SK, Sky in Abalama. There's another guy there, I'm sure that you are also up to the task.
Yeah.
I know already that you are going to business music.
Yes, yes.
All right. Nila labna sana kati nyanya because wa anoma na tena yari to asana muna tella labla mu muama o jium bi shapulu I want to hear shama.
I beg we come on.
Yes. Brand another video director. I mean director to that particular video. I mean this young man directed that video we're going to premiere, and he's coming from TMP Studios. I'm sure there's a good news for us coming through from TMP Studios.
There's a wonderful news.
Wonderful
news.
Okay.
And Director Joe Gameli, shout out to Director Joe Gameli. He's the brain behind this thing.
Okay.
He said when people are trying to produce their music through visual storytelling, and they think about TMP Studio, they think it's very costly.
Of course.
Because you produce quality.
Yeah.
So he said if that's the case, you should train people.
Okay.
And that's why we have the TMP Film Academy.
Okay.
So we developed this academy, and I was the first product of TMP Film Academy.
Oh, okay.
And if you watch the video you're about to watch right now, you see that there is indeed a quality in the video because I was a product of TMP.
Wow. Okay.
So we've developed many directors out there.
Very well.
And some of us were recruited to TMP Studios.
Yeah.
But still, if you produce and the cost is still high, it will damage the business. So we said, okay, if that's the case, let me create TMP Lights for my students. So if I don't want to say underground artist because maybe if you go to my town, I'm the champion.
Yeah.
So which means upcoming artists. Yeah. So we want to create this opportunity for these upcoming artists with less financial problems to have a quality video. Because Director always says the rich always gets richer and the poor is still hustler. Yeah. Because you don't produce quality. If the rich has the unique tools to produce quality, they will get buyers. Okay. But if the poor, they still suffer to produce. So he said if that's the case, I'll still produce quality but with less cost. Okay. Because I have people who can still run the business when we even have less amount. Yeah. So that's why we are coming out with TMP Lights. TMP Lights will basically be targeting these upcoming artists who want to produce their
those trying artists.
Yeah.
Okay. So which way of supporting them to get that bigger brand of TMP.
That's true. So we have exciting packages. We are trying to, during this our activation, we'll be shooting 3 music videos for 3 lucky artists. Okay. Just for free. We will produce the music videos for them.
How do I get this lucky promotion?
And that's the good news, which is still rolling.
Okay.
So we want you go to the TMP's account on Facebook.
Okay.
You like and
you have a page on Facebook.
Yeah, you have a page on Facebook. Then you comment. Anybody can comment.
Okay.
An artist, which is in that way you are nominating the artist.
Okay.
Then we contact this artist to drop their song on a WhatsApp number that we will personally give out. Okay. Then when the artist drops his song, we will still reshuffle and take the best top 10. We invite them to the studio and we'll discuss with them. Then we'll pick the lucky 3 artists.
Wow.
And we'll produce the music video for them free.
That's just it.
That's just it.
That's just it.
That's just
simple.
Just go to
our
on
Facebook page.
Go on our Facebook page.
Okay.
Anybody like I can just go on Facebook page and I nominate Like for example, Rockstone.
Okay.
I'm just a fan, but
Yeah.
I will nominate Rockstone.
Okay.
Then TMP will contact Rockstone that
okay.
place what is going on. It's been nominated.
Yeah.
Then you contact you, drop
Okay.
one of your bangers.
Okay.
You drop the banger, like you will still search personally. Okay, these are the top 10 bangers you've gotten. Then you invite them to the studio.
Yeah.
Then we will do a little discussions. Then
Yeah.
we select the best 3.
Out of the lot that will come to you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then
Is it going to be a raffle, or maybe you
Yeah,
look
it's
at
going
the
to be a
content
raffle.
of that song that you are picking?
That's what I'm saying. It's a discussion.
Okay, the team will discuss.
The team will
Okay,
discuss.
this is a song that
the
needs visuals.
content,
Okay.
the ideas.
Okay.
Like what if this song goes out there? What is this going to bring?
All right.
So that's why I say it's a discussion. We'll
Okay,
discuss about
very
it
well,
then.
very well.
We'll select these 3 lucky artists and we'll release the video for them free.
Straight.
Free.
Wherever you find yourself, if you are lucky
Free.
to go through the 3 list,
Free.
you have your video shot, directed, everything.
Free.
Costume, I mean,
Free.
free. Free as in free.
Free as in free. See?
I mean, I want to understand it very well because I have people who
free
are
in a
watching.
sense that it will be in our comfort zone.
Okay.
In our comfort zone, which means if you want us to travel to Accra,
Yeah.
that one you bear the cost.
Okay. Okay. I mean, going to the extent that means you take some of the charge. Your
I want
cost.
you bear, but in our comfort
No,
zone.
you can't even tell us that you cannot be an underground artist. We want to give you a video free, and you say you want to shoot in Accra.
I mean,
You have problem with you.
I mean, no.
Uh-huh.
So free means in our comfort zone, what you can provide for you.
Right.
But I mean, no TMP, we will not give you a work video.
Yeah, of course, no.
So
I'm sure you guys will not compromise with your standard and do a video in the name of underground artists. Because
so
it will still have the logos of TMP.
it will still have the logos of TMP.
Very well.
So which means this free is even going to be quality.
I mean, that's a very wonderful package. Let me help you do this because most of my people would want to understand it, and personally, I would want them to have a benefit to I mean, derive that benefit you guys are talking about. Chekansu ya kalya bu wa no mani yali to ashelema. Nta ta mapi mo manya la won drop yila. We gonna tene zangla ti zana la yila ma puni. But amfani shelen kana ko ku yala kana no manya asampam. Video shelton drop ma nta ta za hami ni yongo ngma video one ngma video nselibile ngma video karakan nang bantini nyala TMP Studios headed by Joe Gamele. We all know that, right? Okay, lele particular guy ngma ya no pahma kan man la kaman o mare video tam nirba nirba to yarna kaman o video ma ngba de malala la yai do standard ma mi quality ma that they pay for, but people still think that the malala yai go bale porno o wekra kan ni sen pam to no na amfana na bansam shel o malma ko le yalna kaman ya dina kaman fa se gadam makasio na ma don sirle na ma kabza hangmar video sane ona borna kaman Rockstone ni jango be di la ayila wali bi ayila bambala na kana ko try na nan yila ka bor borna ma video Joe Gamele san ar borna nan but uta packages as charges ma ko to you ko na ar chakara nan an mosogo no mala Facebook page I chawa Facebook ntia TMP Studios, that's the name of it.
Yeah, Time Media Production.
Time Media Production.
Time Media Production.
That means TMP in short.
Yeah.
Kacham Facebook page. Facebook and search la Time Media Production TMP. Can search it. You like the page. Kabole a artist shell asolu yuruma. Chanyenya. Kaman irin chakanyenya. Okay, bambala pulungo. Antopi kaman irin whiz guy be bambala ka kono whiz guy. Simple. Be anto kana yendi. The artist or could be let me see, don't are you be I mean just write the name of your favorite artist there. You can write as million times ka song. Banti ma yen le you shanga den kanama ka ba gan wi ma zaha ka ko le ba be kan link up with them yel okay but nominator netama video ta yilden camera ka sene yila ma taba ka ban access yil shanga den kanama chu ma zaha ka la yila na ma so te pe ka yila de ba tarapuni annon son ka anzan yil shel to ma karamal standard ka quality ma fiela ka look around the content in that song ma the video no fielty public ma zan hanan but they just call you come around and they shoot a TMP video for you free ka ko zan ta ba duele anje mo bon ka bora free ka kuma lan na do free SHS ka zan ta ba Allah biare I mean, that's what we're talking about. All right, I'll come back to you. Chakan Lebanon Rockstone because you need to zoma. Yes, yilama abolela mabo. Ma, I don't know my video tama. Be to ama. I mean, no, I'm very, very well because there are so many people. Adapt biani kabne borna betila anfanama. So you just son kabne ngoma. Don't poke up apam anto de he into the level for the katemol. All right, ma. boleta halaka yila amma
ma son ma yile ma be shamma
no
ayulle am bangne kama yeto abido
yeah of course
yila ma yiku starte ka ku son asu tan ka wumdele now hadre na gwa
of course
ama ma anye den shares orin chakan yile mama because kama like ayute manama most celebrity wa alete
kapiela
so the wutune kama like ado abia kama ka ku yule kama o yisibuna ka yaka bia goma bu vielto awa ebo ni mama ni yam banga yen nasham ka bia goma ka rusu so
of course
so all the time that to yar ma tuni izoga do tete
of course
because yin nyete ma ho ma da duwa yi bidegi man banyan nan so munda do yin de shi ma
wow
amma iso aduwa ta wallahi dan wan lafiyar bole so ru zama to yara manamma ta manamma zomi aduwa su tete
okay
denin kunya so nda ku do maka tuluna mai tune
wow
kano to tune kama yare to alama kar zangle kama like in yiri yilo ma ho kar yina ka like ka tinir ba hankale ba do yile ma ne yile biya
okay
yile ka like ka son sama na ku kan
okay
so ka yile ma kar ku do ya ka ne ta ban yile ma no le tourne pas t'es pas pour montrer ka DJ le mana ko le mierle hay kan tiam ban kan ni ko le mare short video le ba armana kan pa ban po o yile man pa kiar mo chef pour moi de panye standard so demande no ka like guys on yerma ko da no wumna yile share ta bo bolle ma so yile ma wula nyel mais no yile ma nyel ka yuge so ko ene senem le tuna kan sene to ko o miel kan no de nyela nguna if you're not interested, on song was on Pajilla.
Wow, that's wonderful.
So the man no kati tiriche de kuna hari kapten ma video ma hari kati tekana intena.
That's very beautiful. That's very beautiful. Yila ma title yila ma unko yesu hama 1 minute kat shamti de la yila ngoma kalabna maka ku bolle bo. All right, Rockstone yila ma title yila ma we take that video just for a minute and we'll right back before we take some few words kana sign out here. Then channel on NTV Rockstone we'll right back.
Mott family. You don't know, we're gonna mash up all the place. Rockstone Records.
Suma duatama, Suma duatama, Suma duatama. Dunia wana wone bomonso, sene yule kare babato. Na wone bomonso, sene yule kare babato. Pare na wone no nama. Kanyanandana Kashabanya bundama Kashabanya bundama Jabo mi sezuya Den bala kambe pisharen Endo matam kangula Nate tamla na sa kangula Duniyango sabo pafia Tepa kum dem la dua Mbwara dua Suma adua tumakatege One lewu ni rise ya, one lewu ni change ya. Fakar shedan gob mo kan fight ya. Me banyale, ja kama sama kandere ya. Me banyale, ja kama. Insela la fuma kan suzo, inche kabagang de mama. Malala biya fakar mazo, inche kabanan de mama. Angara gale, kan shara gane kan rise. Kan so yo bananda. Kama kwezir dare Kandam bala beya Che kalela dangote Dunia wana wune bomonso Sene yure kare babato Na wune bomonso Sene yure kare babato Suma duatama Aduatama Suma aduatama Aduatama Suma aduatama
MySoundPromotion.com.
Alright, Rockstar you like to drop it my title man yes, very beautiful song by all standard and quality of a video. The title self content madamuna the bala something that explain it ya jarabu kap ko yala hal bibla wona ku yisna to yembo hayi to ashel tuli yala ko bo handa ku nye first thing bibla ku yisna no yembo hamba sha ni na pasa ngama no yire ya ko in chama yila ngodo ngona the kamana na titi gama. Yes, personally amana biani amana bi ko bi ku shama o yule masana na barkana na to hampuni ya. Yes, ezala yila mamba pumma shinga falana pura ka para pam shabiane bo taati ka wumsiti bazan hatum pu ka paba ma zara bi ponta male sa'alana bi warjahnya wo man ma yaaya o ma anti muri babiane ma ajima tabia man ma yaaya no puso ka baza na gwayindi. All right, katilabna tinya nyandu borno na akuya the quick one katinya namba na ma dinan katabor yila ngoma ami ya pulu kati nyale
nila mo iku te bunwa nyala mat fama.
Okay. Record label Manila, Mad Family. Okay, very well.
Mad Family music.
Okay. You learn the master handling, you know. All right. Katibor WhatsApp because most people would like you to just send the number. The song.
Okay. Then WhatsApp Manila 020 8 61
02 8
61.
All right. Dinin kabi yung be kantan ka for that lala particular year shelton drop ngoma title Manila ma be any other song coming to you from Rockstone and do WhatsApp number ngoma ka to forward the sound taya. All right. Fan base ba banda ku bian me. Chakanyanya after yila ngoma na drop ma. I mean, what are you planning next? Another video ka and drop be show ka and I mean, what's it next?
Like the more video and drop man, the plan another song.
Okay.
It's some serious artists like Ferdinand.
Okay.
And still not could be able to
happen. I'm going to put your father to the
mini or manager.
All right, very well.
So after the video,
very well. So Fadlan, if you are watching a young guy street coming out of Bushawarman, consider it. Jumping I mean, it is a great plus that an artist like that coming to you from Bushaw want to do a jam with you, and I trust you. Fadlan to know that so the Kayi to Awala. Yes, hope get them and another one. Apart from I'm should be launched be show.
Well known.
I'm so show the kind of two come at Zamia, Kaku feel come and tell me a particular show Kaku tam.
Okay, in Zamia, Patton shoe. Then you can for shooting this video.
Oh, okay.
Show my that channel.
I'm a show down. Wow, wonderful.
So so ko changa Patton boys mother.
Okay.
Nebusha year shabon ku bienma.
Very well.
First ma ya I am Mad Family.
Okay.
We large the guys here pom. So won ku to boys so come be ku to so come to ama anko you ma drone. Dem ban the Mad Family be drone with trainer.
Straight up.
Me and come like serious project can now.
Very well.
Fadlan featuring Rockstone. The cook can pumpon. So umbar ne kama like fan ma kama pumpon to ne ta so bon na. Because mini dwell ma you can management na kan. Pumpon to be management team pune. The two ne kama fan base ma ipana ni mo. But Mad Family so. Kaba na temperature no ma serious project ka pay work.
Very well.
Ka bibi pay ya.
Straight.
Ne ko ma share.
All right. Before katana ko va mama no bona no let ma pielfu katkunya lyrics in that song ma and then katinye better understanding of let's go.
Dunia mwana wone bomonso Sene yule kare boto
Oyo
Oya na wone bomonso Sene yule kare boto Umpare na wone no na ma Kanya nandana
Oyo
Kashabanya bundamba Kashabanya bundamba
Oyo
Laba wo mi seza oya Deni bala kambe pishale Enduma tam kangula Nate tam lena sa kangula Dunia mo sawa papia Te pasure mbwala tua Ma mbwara tua Suma atua tuma kanteke Ma Suma atua tuma Ma Suma atua tuma Ma Atua tuma
very beautiful song.
Suma atua tuma Wala ure teki ya Wale wona rise ya Wale wona take ya pakasa tambu mga kan fightera me banyarle jaka wasawa kandire ya
This is how I get ya. This is how I get ya. All right. Rockstone Chakatapuka Apam. That's a very beautiful song by all standard. Lyrically deep, very, very deep. Nakon Mama Kama Yada Biada Duapune, Ada Duana Tumasaha, Kama Yada Biripune, and then you know Vaku Kaluru Belaya. Yes, Tumpuka Papam Lukushana Mazahan and Bayindi. I mean, once again, I'm putting by nearby Takatokol Vagi, the Pumba Nambanama and the Tuni Yilanama. But I promise you this, I mean, daily, Nukupa Mazaun comes on Hakuruga Nasa and Chankurganu on NTV. I'll make sure that Yilamaka Bangrave Yalangaya. So observe it from now. Kayel families Maza, I never watch him out. Little Kabamira Nincha Kambaya, Katabanti and Nosham, because personally this is a very great song to me. So nearby like Kakum Pogi. All right. Okay.
Alasam Basiro.
Okay.
So come you will moba.
Very well.
Mpa pam na number shot mama. Kai mpor so na chen ko sha R2Bs.
R2Bs inside Koshogu.
Especially Aziz no size.
All right.
Mpa pam.
Thank you so much.
Mpa pam. Yen ko ma sha ma ne patang na ma.
Very well.
Patang fam base abum je patang ma. Tamal mo puni.
All right.
Group shop jene. Saka ka shop jene.
The fire. All right. Yeah, brother. I mean for you there just one way then we go because you self you can't take all one at a time through promotion give artists. So we are most grateful. Thank you so much for coming. All right. So okay. Just one word from you, then we go.
Shout out to Joe Gamele from TMP Studios.
Yes, Bosu director Joe Gamele.
Ibrahim Labo from TMP Studios.
All right.
In fact, the entire production team.
The entire production of TMP. We thank you so much for coming. Jakantega Kabang Dinchana to Kolmo Fama. Thank you so much. All right. Rockstone.
Money stop nonsense.
Money stop nonsense.
Especially cash face.
Cash face.
Fire pump.
All right.
Money stop nonsense. But I'm going to see my okay, so in here, no more fire. You two come up a so born now.
Very well. I'm Mr. Zero Mala.
Mr. Zero,
the title.
The title here, my fans.
My fans. Okay. I'm sure the Bayina. So, how did you bought the back of what's happening? All right, that's very great. Oh, you never Sub Zero Siribi.
Sub Zero Siribi.
All right, Kapu comes and have bad China, Timaza, how we most grateful. You man Kantanga, I mean, took to Lampusu Yaha, but Amrianum Pianpam, comes and handle Amelia Bakwemo, now Nigeria. Yes, last week, man, Apuru TJ Para majority leader Amelia Ban comes and had a connected top song, Amelia Man to Puka Paso comes and hand and Banyindi. All right, when comes and had a Tashana, now wouldn't have the Palia, when comes and had a no Pangma Tapunia. I mean, we're most grateful. Thank you so much. TJ Para, I mean, Opamuni, now Jilimba, Katabas. All right, Yakatian Kapu Kapamu comes out about Dinchana, Abigail MFS, usual when you're in charge of the cameras. Thank you so much. Sadek is inside the MCR, the new production manager Bahama Sadek, or Shahid Banyala Mumbai Ankara Studios. We're most grateful. Thank you so much. After Kojo Boatin is the CEO of AKB Multimedia. Thank you so much. To the loyal viewers of Dinchana and NTV, we thank you so much. The Paya now won't Jabaro Kuturana Tamlana, Unaku Machina Makara Yangamaya, Tenakubian Zora Zanya Solo, Katasonia Yatin Chankantosham. Okay, General Manager Mr. Eno Kasita Sufo, his son is the Bosu of NTV. Pekanyas and Kanaya Marhaba. Marhaba. Yena Dambi Salmakabam Hagar Koga, Nutu Tanso Kanusa Prabangata, and Kunya shall come. Yasan Yim Kasat, Kulunko Lanko Gokuman Panga, Mohammed Hafiz, the trender. We out. Bye bye. Salam.